having a wonderful day. And I got the September BOXYCHARM. And you guys will see my first reaction. I haven't opened it up yet. Oh, wow. Okay. So first I got this. I think it might be some makeup brushes. Oh. I love the bag though. Oh, some makeup brushes. My favorite color. Okay. So they're like a blue. Like a teal color, actually. I don't know if you guys can see it. Just came with 3 brushes, which I love the little case it's in, the little bag. I'll put that to the side. And then I got this GLAMGLOW. Oh, the little bag is brand. The brand looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, it smells different. I love the opening. So cool. Whoa. Okay, Hollywood, California. Oh my gosh, look at that, you guys. That is so freaking cool. Stop. And then it has a star on the top. So it's some kind of treatment. I'll have to try it for you guys. It's so cool. It's a one big box for just that little thing. I love the packaging. And then I got this brow gel. I love all their packaging, so it's so cool. Almost looks like mascara or eyeliner. It just looks like that. Comes with that little brush. And I got this moisturizing lipstick. Ooh, oh my goodness, it's rose gold, y'all. My favorite color. One of my favorites. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ooh, ooh, look at the color, y'all. So pretty. Then I got this primer, and it's all skin types, y'all. All skin types. Well, that's it, y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe, post notifications to see more videos, or get notified for more videos that I post. Bye, y'all.